Didn't go off of that guy.
Give me a break! Come on! I'm gonna take all of yours!
I don't have one.
Oh.
Give me a break! Come on!
That's a little dangerous.
You won't survive the mayhem, no! Give me a break, sweetheart! Come on! Come on!
Take this break behind us.
Yeah, you
Give
definitely
me a
don't.
break! Huh?
You
Give it
definitely
to
don't
me!
want my brain. I don't want my brain.
Okay, hand the table, let me take it. Come on! I need it for my brains too. Come on!
We'll talk later.
You won't survive the mayhem, no!
I'm gonna feed them to every single one of my rats! Making me wait so long, they get so hungry!
I'm hungry too.
They look small, but they sure do eat a lot!
Oh, what they do. Oh, like that. Oh. Bigger sandwiches. Oh, no,
Please, come on, sit down for Granny's dinner! She made you all this dinner and you're just in time and you don't want to sit! Come on, sit, please! Please sit down, why not? I promise it's really good! Please, why don't you want to sit down? Please sit down, please! Granny made you all this dinner and you're so wasteful!
Yeah.
Granny doesn't like wasteful people! Come on, please!
Well, I better get out of here before she does anything.
Come on! Don't be scared!
Oh.
Give me your eyeballs! I need them! Give me your eyeballs!
I needed to get to the rest of the house. Take her out of the food. Ah. Get out of here? Okay. Oh, crap. You said to leave, didn't you? Didn't she say to leave? I thought she said to leave. Oh. Ah. Am I doing this wrong? Nope, I'm doing it right. It's not going to make some great footage. All right. Oh. Oh, right. All right. That was embarrassing. Ah!
Don't be please. Don't go in there. No.
Go in there?
No, don't go in there.
Go in there? What do we have here?
You want to taste this?
Oh, your heart's beating. It's beating for me. Wow. Yeah. He's had better days.
That meat.
Oh. Ah! Hello. I'm going by feel more than anything else. Oh! Oh!
Get off my board!
Sorry. Oh, this is funny. We're not safe yet. And step down. Oh, wait, we're not done. Oh, okay. Well, that was amazing. Don't know how much of that you got on the 360 camera because it's a GoPro, but if I upload this separately, thanks for watching this video, and please remember, haunt season never ends.